Rise, Judge Vunder B court is now in session. Judge, this is case number JVB 1018, Stewart case. Judge, both parties have been sworn.
Thank you. You all may be seated. Okay, Miss Stewart.
Ms., I kept the father's last name for our son.
Oh, okay. You brought this case before the court. What's going on?
We were married, got a divorce a couple years back. The last 6 years of our son's life, our son's 6, have been not easy, but between us, we get along in a lot of decisions we make together for our son. We're coming into this new decision here soon of what our son's going to go into for school and different programs. He has been paying child support, but the dues that are going to come up with school are going to be more.
Okay.
And I wanted to try and get more child support, hopefully to split the difference in the cost of that.
Okay, how much is he paying you right now in child support?
$430.
Okay. And what is it that you're asking in terms of the split?
Our son's dues are going to be $1,100 for the new school.
What school is this?
It's a private school, but he's a brilliant boy, and I think we've done a great job raising him. So to put him into a school that really fits his personality and his education level, I think.
Buckle up. Y'all, this courtroom showdown is a masterclass in co-parenting chaos. We have a divorced couple who mostly gets along until tuition and child support crash into each other like a legal wrecking ball. She wants more support to cover their son's pricey new private school. He is saying, hold up. If I am splitting tuition, why am I paying more? It sounds fair until you realize the math is not adding up for both sides. And just when you think they are on the same page a little, twist from the judge exposes how custody tax returns and medical insurance can flip the whole child support equation upside down. Who is right? Who is dodging? And what does the law say when personal agreements do not match the system? Keep watching, because this one has compromise, contradiction, and a cold dose of courtroom reality interview.
Okay. Okay. And what do you have to say about this?
Well, I kind of let her make those decisions.
In terms of the school, you're okay with the school?
In terms of the school, I'm okay. I trust her. It's actually, splitting it is going to be more on the front end, but it's actually less. I looked it up, and it's 9 months.
Okay.
At $550 will actually be less child support for me in the next year. So I'm not sure, but that's what she wanted to do, so I'm saying okay.
Okay. So you guys agree that you would split the $1,100? Is that what I'm understanding?
We agreed that we would split the schooling, but the trouble that we're coming into here is just, I don't want to go 3 months without having any child support, if that's what he's bringing to case.
Is that what you're trying to say?
Yeah, if we're talking about splitting the tuition, then we're splitting $1,100 in 9 months. That's less money for the year than if I just continued to pay child support to her. I'm okay with it, so if that's her decision.
What we're disagreeing with is just the length of time. I want to at least receive the $430 for the remaining 3 months if that's what's decided. I'm not sure how that works in terms of the court, but
Yeah, unfortunately, it wouldn't work like that. We wouldn't be able to do it like that because then we would be sending a withholding order to your employer for 9 months, and then at the 3rd month, have to hope that it reaches them in time enough for the 3 months for it to go down. So it doesn't really.
Did you catch that? Despite the rocky past, these two actually agree their son deserves the best. But now comes the real kicker who pays the bill, and for how long? Notice how dad is fine with the private school as long as it does not wreck his budget. He is counting on the idea that 9 months of tuition is less than a full year of child support. But the court does not exactly work that way. Here is where the logic starts to split, just like their finances.
So it either has to be something you guys agree on in terms of what it is, like the amount, the $550, and it would have to continue for the full year. I mean, you think about it like this. Those 3 months, there are going to be things that your son will probably need while he's with mom that she will be able to get.
Yeah.
Definitely daycare. I mean, that's
Well,
still.
I understand she has expenses, but so basically, if she decides that he's going to go to a private school, my child support is going to be raised 12 months a year, even though that's a 9-month decision.
Yeah, because it has to extend through the entire year. Otherwise, based on your tax returns, I can base your child support off of what it should actually be.
No, I think we're okay.
Oh, okay. I was gonna say because
What would that look like?
well, if we did it based off of your tax returns again and your W-2, you make $62,500 a year, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so health insurance. Who carries health insurance?
We split it.
Okay, good. You guys, double insured. That's very good. That's very good. So if we did your gross, how much do you pay in health insurance for the child?
I pay, mine is like $60. $60 a month is all on.
Okay. So giving you credit for the $60, that'll bring your gross down. Let me see. Minus the $60, that will bring your gross to about, let's say $5,100, net at $4,156.64. How many children do you have?
I have 2 other children.
That are under the age of 18?
Yes.
Okay. So that would be 16%. Yeah, your child support would be about $665.
And boom, there it is. That is the reality check. The court is not Amazon Prime. You do not get to pick and pause payments month by month. Once the withholding order kicks, it keeps rolling all year long. This is where the judge lays down the truth. If you want private school, you are signing up for year-round responsibility. It is a tough pill, but also a reminder that the legal system values consistency over convenience. What would you do in this situation? Stick with the fixed support or push for the school?
I'm okay with the
$550?
The $550.
I think the $550 is good too. I think it's good too. And I mean, you guys will be splitting the tuition, essentially.
Since your insurance is better than mine, just because of your occupation, is there something, I mean, I am all about protecting, but if he was to have full insurance over our son, is that something that we address here, or is that something that we address outside of court?
Oh no, you can do it on your own independently. You can go ahead and actually drop your insurance if you would like, because he at least is still covered under.
Now dad is giving in to the $550 a month. Cool. But then mom flips the talk to health insurance and drops another twist. What if you carry the full insurance? And this is where it gets strategic. Since dad has the stronger policy, mom floating. The idea of dropping hers is not just generous, it is smart. This moment shifts the whole dynamic. Less about court orders, more about what is actually best for the kid. It is low key. The most mature part of the hearing.
Discuss that after. Okay.
Okay. Is that all? You guys have anything else?
This part right here, that is when you realize not every courtroom fight is explosive. Sometimes it is just 2 people trying to work through a system. With good intentions, the tension is still there. Sure, but so is the effort. And in family court, effort counts just as much as evidence. By this stage, both sides are giving a little to get a little. And for once, the courtroom does not close in chaos.
Take effect.
It'll take effect the 1st of each month. So
if today's the 3rd, then it doesn't take effect until the 1st of next month.
Until the 1st of next month, yeah. Okay. All right. If there's nothing further, you all are dismissed.
So, what did we witness today? A rare case where both parents came in with a shared goal, but had to battle through the legal weeds to get there. The judge kept it real. Child support is not just math. It is about structure and stability. And even when parents agree, the system demands a clear, enforceable plan. Bottom line, private school or not, parenting comes with fine print and flexibility, only goes so far. If you found this case as shocking as we did, make sure to hit that like button, share your thoughts in the comments, and do not forget to subscribe for more jaw-dropping courtroom breakdowns only here on Truth.